Hi everyone. We're going to go over the word silver fox. So if we remember the lesson on just fox, a fox is typically a very attractive young lady or young woman. A silver fox is going to be kind of the male equivalent, but it's typically an older man. So they call it a silver fox because a fox is just someone if you're just using fox, it's an attractive female, but a silver fox is going to be a very attractive older male. And they say silver because an older male will have a lot of white hair. So think George Clooney. George Clooney would probably be considered a silver fox to a lot of girls. So let's go ahead and go over a few of the sentences in which we can make. So let's just say a girl sees a man from a distance. She's away from him, so she can use that. So she can say that guy's, that gentleman's, or that man's. So we'll just say the guy. So that guy's a silver fox. So that's if a female sees a guy that is kind of far away, she would say that guy's a silver fox. Now she could also say, she may be with a group of friends and she may see, she might see George Clooney across the street. She may see a silver fox and she can tell her friends, hey, take a look at that silver fox across the street. So, she's trying to get the attention of her friends. So take a look. Or she can say, look at that silver fox across the street or over there, somewhere in the distance. So we just know the silver fox is going to be away from the speaker if they're using that. Um, Now, if I ask a girl who may be looking off into the distance somewhere, maybe she's looking across the street and she sees a guy that is very handsome, an older guy that is very handsome, I can ask her, if I don't know what she's doing, I can ask her, what are you doing? And she can say, I'm checking out that silver fox across the street. So checking out is just looking at. She's just looking at him. Or she can just say if she really thinks the guy is super handsome and she's just like panting like a dog, then she could answer, I'm drooling over that silver fox across the street. I'm drooling over that silver fox across the street. Now, of course, some people may be, some people that we're associated with may be, it might be a very handsome older male. So I could say this, I could say my boss, if I have an older boss who a lot of girls find to be very attractive, and I can say my boss is a silver fox. My boss is a silver fox. Um, Now, if I'm talking to you, if I'm a girl and I'm talking to you and you are I find you very attractive for an older man, I could say, you're a silver fox. Or if I'm referring to a third person pronoun, I can say, he's a silver fox. Or I can even refer to myself, I'm a silver fox. So, those are a few of the different ways you can use silver fox. So, yes, a silver fox, this is typically used for older males with white hair. And just the word fox, typically that one's reserved for younger females. But essentially, their meaning is the same, which means someone is very good looking. So, that is going to conclude this lesson, and thank you very much for following along.